up a little ES right there, and I've got an order sitting here at 45.30 if we can get there. So right now it's running up though. I'm gonna take profits into this thing. Look at this thing go. All right, get back up there. Retracing this whole hour.
Order filled.
There you go. Paid myself on that ES. I took it off completely. I'm all out ES. Paid myself full size on that one so I could get some money out of it. And I'm gonna let this thing set up.
Order filled.
Just a starter going here on ES on the long, right into that 5-minute PCH. Anyway, got a nice trade going here, man. Get one more push into 65. I'm gonna take profit. All right, I just got paid. I got about 25. I sold about 80% of my position there. So I still have a little bit of skin in the game if we continue, but I wanted to pay myself and pay myself well.